Hi there. Hope you all are staying safe. August 2020. The month of August is full of festivals from Eid, Rakhi, Ganesh Chaturthi to Onam, and not to forget Independence Day, 15th August 2020. SkillEdge is happy to announce launch of 4 products on 15th August 2020. I'm delighted to share these 4 products to all our students, graduate, engineer or postgraduate. These products will make all the students day one job ready with skills which are required to perform and sustain jobs in today's time. These products are: number 1, Digital Resume Workshop. Very interesting program where you learn the do's and don'ts of making a digital resume. The second product is known as Finance Edge. You know what? This is a combination of 4 products in one. First time in the industry such a product has been designed and executed. This product will help students to become ready, day one finance job ready, if you are interested to work as a financial analyst in an investment bank and alike job roles. The third product is known as Banking Edge. This is a combination of 3 products in one, where a student will be made ready to apply to as a fresher role in banks for sales as well as for operations. And finally, the 4th product is known as Retail Edge. This is also a combination of 3 products in one, where a student will be made ready to apply to a retail segment in today's time, so that the person is ready to crack the interview and become day one job ready. This is an absolute amazing 15th August for all of us students to get and experience edge in your employability skills.